Alright, Captain's Log 004, sea date 17072011, time 2134, longitude north 45, latitude west 125. Fish caught today 134, booyah, and cumulative is 331. It's day 12 of our sojourn. That's the right word, right?
Sojourn?
Yeah, isn't sojourn a word? Bob, isn't sojourn a word?
Yeah.
Yeah,
journey.
like a journey. Okay, good. So it's day 12 of our sojourn, and yeah, every day our stats have been going up. We've been catching more and more fish. First day on the real fishing trip was 40 fish, and then 44 or something like that, and then 110, and then today 134. So we are doing it, and we're surrounded by boats. Like, there's like, I don't know, would you say hundreds of boats?
No. Like,
Well, no, not right now.
Like earlier
Just
today.
in general, like around the whole water patch. They're like surrounding the whole thing.
I'd say like 20.
What?
Yeah.
I'm closer to like
100?
I would say like 30.
You guys haven't been driving the boat.
I counted at one point and there was like 15.
Well, we're on a
100.
whole different side.
We're
of
on
the
a whole
water.
different scale.
We're on a whole different side of the warm water right now, and there's other boats over here.
You mean in the ocean? How many boats are there? There's definitely more than 100.
No, well,
no, but what you're talking about is just the warm water area, like where we're around.
yeah, I think there's at least 50.
Well, yeah,
Okay,
I don't know about the other side of the warm water.
Maybe I didn't see them. Maybe I was sleeping at that point.
There's definitely at least 50. Okay. Anyway, so, yeah, day, I don't know, like 14, no showers.
Yeah, like tell them about like how the warm water thing works.
Okay, so tuna like relatively warm water. We're not going to get into a science class here about why, but that's just the way it is. They generally like probably between like 58, 63 or whatever, right? And what we have found so far to be most successful is right on the edge between what is considered cold water and what is considered hot water, which is right between 60 and 61. So we've been catching most of the fish between 60.8 degrees and 60.9 degrees. I don't know if that's what you wanted me to say or whatever. But
That's cool. Well, I mean, like on the computer, it shows, like right now, I mean, kind of looking at it, it looks like an egg, and it's green, and then around it's blue. We've been chilling, you know,
It's pretty
bouncing in
scientific.
between the green and the blue.
yeah, that's
For
how
the
it's
computer.
separated. We have like there's a surface temperature detection thing on our computer basically, and it shows where the warm water is.
And
So
when we go totally into the green, we don't catch fish. When we kind of bounce out in and out, or right on the edge of it in the blue, we're good.
yeah, and we've had these boats. Mostly there's this one boat, the Inspiration of Frustration. They just they kept heading right our path, be turning to around to fish. And usually if we start here, we want to go to where we started circling because that's where the fish are.
Turn and hope that we don't wrap up our lines and stuff.
Yeah.
Anyway,
I mean, we're wondering if we're doing really well or not.
Yeah, because when we've been looking... Sorry, go ahead.
Yeah, I mean, when I don't know, it seems like a lot of boats are following us, and it's funny because we're green sharks. Don't touch me. And then, no, don't kid. No, it's funny because we're this is our first time out, and we're chilling. I mean, I don't want to put us down 130, really.
It's pretty
So
good.
I don't
watching. We haven't finished Lethal Weapon.
I know.
We've watched 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, and we've been on 4 since we got out here. Like 1, 2, and 3, we watched before the first trip, and then like before we started this trip, and then we started this trip, and I don't think we finished it. It's been like 4 days that we've been on this trip, and we can't finish the movie because all of us pass out. And
After, like,
we want
15
sleep
minutes.
so bad, it's so much more important than
Yeah.
the weapon.
It's kind of like, okay, I'm gonna turn over now because otherwise I'll stay up and then I'll be screwed.
Yeah, so it's like, and it's funny, like lying in bed watching the movie. You want to watch the movie because it's good. We like Lethal Weapon.
It's
But
awesome.
there's a point where you hit where you go, I gotta just turn over and go to sleep. Like I have to commit to sleep now. Like even though you want to keep watching, you just there's times where I'm just like I literally have to force myself to turn away so I can get some sleep because you know it sucks in the morning. So whatever. But that's our schedule basically. And then anything anybody want to say about their hats?
Oh, well, right now I'm the skipper, Troy's first mate, and Jet is the engineer. And Troy is like freaking, he's really, really getting it down, like on, like pulling those fish in, like, it's crazy. It's really good.
Yeah,
Like,
Bob Rust comes out, loses.